It has GAOVR with a screen.
That's trash. Original controller. This was something cool.
And then it got butchered.
This is very recent too.
It has like the original motor and controller.
Yeah, the way like this.
Switch place. Look at that. These have like white rings around them.
Here, I'll have out so you can get a better video.
Listen to that.
Yep, it's a relay controller.
What the hell kind of interlock is that? What is that? Pacific.
Yep.
Wow, look at that.
So this was an original Pacific up until whenever this happened.
Damn. This is 414 Jackson Street. Hey, 414. I mean, it's a nice mod, but...
But yeah, they kept a lot of the original stuff. I like these buttons. Don't see GALVR too much.
Oh, I just saw
Look.
it.
It's Pacific elevator.
Ah. I think that's the OG door operator.
I think almost everything.
Yeah, look.